Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: Bell Company, a manufacturer of audio systems, started its production in October 2017. For the preceding 3 years, Bell had been a retailer of audio system. After a thorough survey of audio system markets, Bell decided to turn its retail store into an audio equipment factory. Raw materials cost for an audio system will total 77 per unit. Workers on the production lines are on average paid 14 per hour. An audio system usually takes 6 hours to complete. In addition, the rent on the equipment used to assemble audio system amount to 5,140 per month. Indirect material costs $7 per system. A supervisor was hired to oversee production. Per month, her monthly salary is 3,780. Factory janitorial costs are 1,560. Monthly advertising cost for the audio system will be 8,620 per month. The factory building depreciation expense is 6,960 per year. Property taxes on the factory building will be $9,360 per year. Assuming that Bell manufacturers on average 1,590 audio systems per month, enter each cost item on your answer sheet, placing the dollar amount per month and the appropriate heading. Total the dollar amounts in each of the columns, and the answer of the question is: manufacturing overhead, rent on equipment 5,140, 1,590 multiplied by 7 equal to 11,130. Indirect material 11,130. Factory supervisor salary 3,780. Janitorial costs 1,560, 6,960 over 12 months, 580. Depreciation on factory building 580, 9,360 over 12 months is equal to 780. Property taxes on factory building 780. Production cost is equal to 22,970. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.